is Prachi, and today I'm going to share with you a very easy DIY using castor oil, which will first of all prevent hair fall. It will also improve the growth of your hair, and most importantly, it will make your hair thicker by growing new hair naturally from your scalp. So this is a castor oil based DIY, and as you know, castor oil is an amazing ingredient. You can use it on your eyebrows, eyelashes to actually make them thicker. If you see my eyebrows and eyelashes are pretty thick, and castor oil is actually one of the reasons apart from genetics, I think. So castor oil really works, guys, but the only problem with this ingredient is that it tends to be very thick, so it's slightly tricky to use and you have to use it right. So anyways, if you want to see what this DIY is all about, just keep watching this video to find out. So start by first cleaning up your hair and scalp with a mild shampoo, preferably in the morning, using a shampoo preferably again which contains DHT blockers. Once your scalp and hair is all clean and dry after a few hours, here's a DIY that you need to prepare. Take some aloe vera gel. I'm taking aloe vera gel from the tube. You can also use natural aloe vera gel, but that tends to be a little lumpy and clumpy, so it can be slightly difficult to work with, but anyways, it's completely your choice. And then we'll take castor oil, which is our main ingredient in today's DIY because it has all these amazing benefits for your hair. Now, whichever castor oil you use, please make sure that you're using cold pressed and 100% pure castor oil. If you're having hair fall issues, especially, you don't want to use product which contains too many chemicals. This castor oil that I'm using is from Mama Earth, and it does not contain any mineral oil and silicone also. I'll put the link in the description box below if you want to know more about this particular product, and if you want to check out the link and things like that, everything in the description box below. And after castor oil, we'll also add just a little bit of bhringraj oil, which again is a great ingredient for preventing hair fall. If you want, you can skip the bhringraj oil, but I recommend adding just a little bit if possible. Then all you need to do is to mix all the ingredients really well. You'll have to mix it for about 2 to 3 minutes really well, and then you'll have this beautiful light serum like consistency, like you can see. So the serum like consistency that you find is actually a very interesting thing because castor tends to be a very heavy ingredient, right? But after mixing it with aloe vera gel and the other oil, you actually have this really lightweight formula which is actually very easy on your scalp. This formula is actually also very safe for you. If you have oily and greasy scalp, you can still use it because it's not a heavy formula, right? So yes, now that your scalp and your hair is clean and your DIY is ready, just have to massage everything really well. I'm using circular motion using my fingers like this. This also helps in improving the blood circulation, which is obviously good for the roots of your hair when it wants to grow new hair and things like that. It's just a very good thing. So just massage for a little while, and once you're done massaging, just tie up your hair. Tie it up, like don't have to make it too tight, keep it loose and easy. And then you can either take a towel, dip it in warm water and make warm towel with this, or like me, if you want, you can just use a hair spa cap. Either ways, the idea is to heat your scalp a little bit after applying and massaging this mixture so that your roots, the scalp and everything can actually absorb it really well. The pores open when the scalp is heating up, so it can obviously absorb everything beautifully. After you're done with the hair spa or warm towel method for 15 minutes, once again massage. And after the massage, just wash everything off with normal room temperature water so that all the pores of the scalp can be closed. Next morning, once again, you can wash everything off with a mild shampoo. This is a very simple routine to follow. I know it sounds like a lot, but actually you can even store this DIY serum in the fridge for 3 to 4 days without any problems. And the best thing is that, you can easily do this once in every 3 to 4 days. Don't do it more often than that, but 3 to 4 days is an ideal amount of time, and I can promise you guys, after 3 or 4 tries, you will notice that there is a huge difference in your hair fall. Like if your hair is falling a lot, you will see that a lot of hair fall has already reduced in just 3 to 4 tries, and eventually in about 1.5 months you will start noticing that new hair is growing from the scalp. It's a beautiful DIY. So yes, once you start seeing all the difference, please don't forget to come back, write in the comment section below how wonderfully this DIY has worked for you, because it's one thing for people to watch a video on YouTube and trust it, but then when they see the comment section filled with positive comments, it really helps them. So please come back, share your comments, and if you have any queries, I would love to hear your queries as well. And oh, by the way guys, on that note, just letting you know, this castor oil which I'm using is from Mama Earth, which is also a plastic positive brand, which means that they recycle more plastic than they use. And on that note, let me know if you want me to do a separate video on what are the things you can do to actually reduce your plastic consumption in the environment. I'm thinking of actually doing a video because there's been so much of talk of late, especially after the United Nations thing that recently happened. And this girl, she made some really good points about how we need to do something for the environment, right? So I have started taking some little baby steps, whatever I can do. And maybe if you want me to share some ideas and come back and share your own ideas, I would love to hear from you guys. And I think it's really good that this is a brand that's actually caring about being plastic positive and recycling plastic and things like that. So yes, that's something I definitely would want to encourage. And yeah, with that, I'll end today's video, guys. For more details and everything in the description box below, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.